Hello, welcome to Kelly's Family Adventures. I'm John.
I'm Sarah.
And today we are doing a snack surprise unboxing. Now this one is Hungary. Want to get your facts out?
The capital of Hungary is Budapest. Currency is Hungarian. Population of Hungary is 9.75 million, and that was brought to fact in 2020. Established in 1000 AD. Official language Hungarian, and the area is 35,920 square meters. It's located in the Central Europe, and it is a landlocked country, so no access to the seas or oceans. Hungary is also famous for being the land of thermal springs and baths. That's an interesting fact for you. And also the Hungarian alphabet has 44 letters instead of our alphabet, which has 26. They also have their own cowboys. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that.
No.
And the Hungarian Parliament is the third largest parliament building in the world. It has 691 rooms, 20 kilometers of stairs, 40 kilograms of 23 karat gold was used on its interior decoration. It is also the largest building in Hungary. This is one about the Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube was originally invented by Hungary. What else we got here?
A ballpoint pen, holography, thermographic camera, digital computing, and the first functioning helicopter. Wow, I didn't know that.
So let's see what we got here. So Hungary was home to the most prolific female murderer in history. The Guinness World Records lists Elizabeth Bathory, a Hungarian noblewoman, as the most prolific female murderer in history. We might have to watch that, see if we can find it on Netflix.
No, I don't.
I bet there's a documentary on it.
Yeah, I bet it's on YouTube.
So, she was
convicted of 80 murderers. Rumoured to be as many as 650. Jeez, she was busy.
She was vampirism on girls and young women in the 16th and 17th century. It's considered rude to clink your beer glasses, according to the legend, between when the 1848 Hungarian Revolution against the Habsburg was defeated. 13 Hungarian generals were executed, with the Austrians clinking their beer glasses after each execution. After this, Hungarians vowed not to cheer with the beer for 150 years. That time has passed, but it's still a custom.
Wow, I like these little fat things to get. Right, let's show you the first crisps. And this is Sarah.
That is Tracas Party Ham Chips.
Oh.
That's a crispy potato chips crinkled with delicious flavoured ham flavouring powder.
Wow. Oh, that's nice. These are pizza flavoured crisps.
But they're called Master Crock.
Yeah, Master Crock.
They are also tiny cocktails made from corn and flavoured with a delicious pizza seasoning. You don't let them bite first.
Is something called Pandy.
Colourful puffed rice with a fruity aroma. It's a popular and traditional product in Hungary because this reminds you of anything.
Yeah, rainbow drops.
Yeah.
What are we got now? Sport.
So that is one of the most popular chocolate bars, a layer of dark chocolate, envelopes of cocoa fondant filling enhanced with rum.
Ooh, rum. I love rum. I'll save that for myself. What is this called? Smile.
Smile pancakes. A delicious and soft dough with a delicious strawberry filling in the middle. Hungary's their favourite pancake.
I bet it is.
Mm.
This looks like a ring pop that I used to get when we were younger.
A sweet, soft and fruity pacifier gummy. This is a childhood favourite.
Samba.
So that one is a 2-layered slice coated with dark chocolate with rum flavoured cocoa filling and a marzipan cherry filling.
Oh, they like the rum, don't they? Oh. Blaton, made by Nestle.
A crunchy wafer slice made with milk chocolate on the outside and cocoa cream in the inside.
Mmm. Crash.
They are roasted peanuts with a crispy coating in onion and sour cream flavoured. Let them into your heart.
Mmm. Something else that looks like that. Rainbow drops.
They are
Pancakes.
They are actually roasted peanuts in coloured sugar coating. The uneven coating makes these look like pebbles right from the gunny.
Retro. It says Netto on it. It's not look like the shop I used to go to.
So that is actually a Kelly faggy.
Telefaggy. Yeah.
And that is a crunchy cone filled with soft chocolate cream and covered by chocolate. It's been popular since the 70s.
Cool. And last but not least, that was like orange.
So that is a Jonah drink, and that is 100% apple juice.
Really?
It does not contain preservatives, flavour enhancers, sugar or colourants, just fruit.
God, they look like oranges.
I think we might have to try some of these.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Which one do you want to try first?
I don't know.
I'm not doing the marzipan one. I don't like marzipan.
Oh, I don't like marzipan.
Put that there, ready? Shall we go for the bacon one first?
Yep. I'll let you try it first.
Oh, they're really, really good.
Mmm. They remind me of a bit like pork scratchings over here.
And bacon fries.
Mmm.
Rated out of 10. I say a good solid 8.
Mmm. Yeah. Which one are you going to next?
We'll try the nuts.
And these are in onion and sour cream flavouring.
It's a lot to get into.
They are a bit crunchy. They are full of flavour though.
They taste like sour cream and onion Pringles first, then you get the peanut.
Yeah. Rather nice though.
7?
About that, yeah. Which ones are these ones?
They're the ones, the puffy rice.
The pandy.
Yeah, the pandy. Don't get boys then. Jesus, I've got that much sugar on. We're bouncing. Not bad though.
Mmm. A bit soft.
I said they're a good 6.
You'll have a bit of a sugar rush on too.
Let's try the pancake. Does look like the pancakes I get from Costco.
Well, if we split it then we can get Sammy Shelley to try it too. Shit, fine. I'd say it's got a lot of filling in it.
Bit dry.
It's a bit stuck.
I'll get it at 4.
And those are
Pizza ones. They smell like,
they smell.
like the Cheetos, pizza Cheetos.
Never had them.
Have you not?
No.
I've had them. I go from a shop on corner.
They're not bad then. They taste like
A pizza.
You know you know these tomato balls. The tomato snack crisp balls. They taste like that. Rather nice one.
Six. No, it's got the pizza flavoured Pringles, which I still can't find over here.
That one's got the marzipan.
We'll not do that one because we don't like I don't like marzipan.
I don't like it either.
So let's do the little chocolate bar, the sports bar. Like a club biscuit. Same wrapping.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like. Ooh. Definitely tastes one minute.
God, that'll blow your head off.
Ooh.
Bloody hell.
That's definitely an 8.
I'd say I wouldn't recommend giving that to the boys either. We'll save that one.
We'll save that one. We'll get out it, boys.
Let the boys try
It's
that
not.
one.
It's not hard. It's like it's gummy.
It's a jelly.
A jelly one, yeah.
What's that one?
Blossom.
Yeah, that's a waffle slice.
Country wafer slice, maybe milk chocolate.
Reminds me a bit like a blue ribbon.
Yeah. I still give that a 4. It's not that special.
I don't think that the taste is anything to boast about. Which ones are those?
These are the nut ones.
Oh, the sugar coated nuts.
They're like peanut M&M's but without the chocolate.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it tastes like. We're number 5. This is a chocolate cone.
You don't look great on that one.
Virtually tasteless.
Yeah.
That's a very low scoring 4. Last but not least, apple juice. I thought it was orange juice because
They've red apples.
not in my eyes, they're not colourblind, don't forget. Oh, that is good though.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like what you get from craft fairs and stuff.
I'll let you finish that one.
Oh,
A bit sweet for me.
That's it. That's that month's box. We have got a Hungarian one. No, it's not Hungarian, is it? What is it? I think it's Sweden.
I don't think it's Sweden. I think it's either Uruguay or Uruguay.
No, it's not.
I'm sure it is.
It's not because it says Stockholm on some of them, so it's definitely Sweden way out. It didn't. Unfortunately, it never came with a
information booklet.
So I haven't got a clue what's in it, and I can't tell. But there you go. Thank you for watching our vlog. Thank you to everyone who subscribed. We've now hit over the 130 mark, which is brilliant. 300 by September is our goal. We go Florida in September, so hopefully we have some followers then. But yeah, that's it. So thank you everyone for watching, and until next time, and see you till the next adventure.
Bye.